Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Sciencey. So big news today. Elon Musk company called XAI has finally released their latest flagship model called Grok 3. And let me tell you, this model is a game changer. And they say that this model beats OpenAI's models and DeepSeek models also. So let's see whether that's actually true or not. And I'll be telling you all about this model, so stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get right into it. If you see here that Elon Musk AI company, XAI, late on Monday, they released this latest flagship AI model called Grok 3, and they also unveiled some new capabilities for the Grok iOS and web apps. Means on the web apps and also on the iOS app, they have revealed some new capabilities for the Grok. And Grok is actually the XAI's answer to models like OpenAI's GPT-4o and Google's Gemini. And they say that this model can also analyze images and also respond to questions. And it also powers a number of features on Musk's social network X. It also powers up a number of features on Musk's social network called X. And Grok 3 was actually in development for several months and it was optimistically slated for the release in 2024, but they missed that deadline. So on Monday, they gave an ambitious launch of Grok 3. And they say that XAI has been using an enormous data center in Memphis. So in Memphis, they have been using the data center. XAI has been using it. And it is containing around 200,000 GPUs to train Grok 3. 200,000 GPUs were used. And also in a post on X, Musk claimed that Grok 3 was developed with 10 times more computing power than its predecessor Grok 2. So it has 10 times more computing power than Grok 2, and they say that it's using an expanding training data set that also includes filing from court case. And they also say that Grok 3 is an order of magnitude which is more capable than Grok 2, and they say that it's also truth seeking AI which speaks the truth. So it's truth seeking AI even if that truth is sometimes in odds with what is politically correct. And Grok 3 is the family of models, to be precise, and a smaller version of Grok 3. So there's a smaller version of Grok 3 also, which is called Grok 3 Mini, and it also responds to questions more quickly at the cost of some accuracy. And they say not all the models and related features of Grok 3 are available yet. Some are in beta, but they began rolling out on Monday. And XAI claims Grok 3 beats GPT-4o on benchmarks including AIME. So AIME benchmark is that benchmark which evaluates a model's performance on some math questions. And GPQA is a benchmark which assesses models using PhD level physics, biology, and chemistry problems. And also, an early version of Grok 3 also scored competitively in Chatbot Arena. So, Chatbot Arena is a crowdsourced test that pits different AI models against each other, and users vote on their preferred responses according to XAI. So, here is the benchmark of the different models, and you can see the score of it. So, I'll zoom in so that you can have a look at the scores and whether Grok 3 actually beats Gemini, DeepSeek V3, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and GPT-4o. So let's have a look at it. Here, if you see here, this one is for Grok 3. So there are three benchmarks: math, science, which is GPQA, and coding, which is LCB, for October to February. So the blue one is for Grok 3, and lighter blue one is Grok 3 Mini. The grayish one, the dark gray color, is for Gemini 2 Pro, and the light gray is for DeepSeek V3. And this is kind of lighter gray, it's for Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and the whitish color is for GPT-4o. So in math, Grok 3 got the score of 52, whereas Grok 3 Mini got the score of 40, Gemini 2 Pro got the score of 36, DeepSeek V3 got the score of 39, Claude 3.5 Sonnet got the score of 16, and GPT-4o got the score of 9. So GPT-4o got this lowest score, and Grok 3 got the highest score. In science, Grok 3 got the highest score, which is 75. Grok 3 Mini got the score of 65. Gemini 2 Pro got the score of 65. DeepSeek V3 got the score of 59. Claude 3.5 Sonnet got the score of 65. And GPT-4o got the score of 50. So here also GPT-4o got the the lowest score. And Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Gemini 2 Pro, and Grok 3 Mini got the same score, whereas Grok 3 got the highest score. In coding, here also Grok 3 got the highest score, so which is 57. Grok 3 Mini got the score of 41, and Gemini 2 Pro got the score of 36. DeepSeek V3 got the score of 40. Claude 3.5 Sonic got the score of 36. GPT-4o got the score of 34. So here also GPT-4o got the lowest score. Grok 3 got the highest score. So here you can say that Grok 3 has beaten all the other models. So they say there are two models in the new Grok 3 family, which is Grok 3 Reasoning and Grok 3 Mini Reasoning, which can carefully think through problems, which is similar to the reasoning models like OpenAI's O3 Mini and Chinese AI company DeepSeek's R1. So there's Grok 3 Reasoning and Grok 3 Mini Reasoning, which can carefully think through problems, and it's similar to OpenAI's O3 Mini and DeepSeek R1. And let's see whether it actually beats these two or not. And they say that these reasoning models, what they do, they try to fact check themselves before giving out results. And it also helps them avoid some of the pitfalls that normally trip up models. So, reasoning models, what they do, they first think before giving an answer. They don't just give the answer like that. You ask it a question, so it will first start thinking and thinking and thinking, and then it will give you the answer based on it. And here also XAI claims that Grok 3 reasoning surpasses the best version of O3 Mini, which is O3 Mini High, on several popular benchmarks, including a newer mathematics benchmark called AIME 2025. So here is the score of AIME 2025 performance, and in that there's Grok 3 reasoning beta, Grok 3 Mini reasoning, O3 Mini High, O1, DeepSeek R1, and also Gemini 2 Flash Thinking. So let's see whether it beats these models or not. And I'll zoom in this picture. So we're here at this picture and we see here the score for AIME 2025 performance for Grok 3 Reasoning Beta, Grok 3 Mini Reasoning, O3 Mini High, O1, DeepSeek R1, and Gemini 2 Flash Thinking. If you see here the score, so Grok 3 Reasoning Beta got the score of 93, which is the highest. It has beaten the other models. And Grok 3 Mini Reasoning also beats the other models, but it did not beat Grok 3 Reasoning Beta. So here it got the score of 90. O3 Mini High got the score of 87. And O1 got the score of 79. 75 is the score for DeepSeek R1. And Gemini 2 Flash Thinking got the score of 54. So Gemini 2 Flash Thinking got the lowest score. Grok 3 Reasoning Beta got the highest score, and in the middle it's O3 Mini, O1, and DeepSeek R1. And these reasoning models can also be accessed through the Grok app, and users can ask Grok 3 to think, or for more difficult queries like leverage big brain mode. So there is a big brain button for reasoning that employs additional computing. And here, XAI describes the reasoning models as best suited for mathematics, science, and programming questions. So they say that the reasoning models is best for mathematics, science, and programming questions. So if you want to use this model for mathematics, science, and programming questions, then the reasoning model is the best one. Musk also said that some of the reasoning models' thoughts are obscured in the Grok app to prevent distillation, which is a method used by AI developers to extract knowledge from other models, and how recently DeepSeek was accused of distilling OpenAI's models to create its own. And Grok's reasoning models also underpin a new feature in the Grok app called Deep Search. So, Deep Search, there's a feature in the Grok app called Deep Search, and it's also the XAI's answer to AI powered research tools like OpenAI's Deep Research. So, Deep Search also scans the internet and X to analyze information and deliver an abstract in response to a question. So here deep search, what it does, it searches the internet and it searches X also to analyze the information and deliver an abstract in response to a question. Okay, so subscribers to X Premium Plus tier, which is $50 per month, will get access to Grok 3 first, and other features will be gated behind a new plan that XAI is calling SuperGrok, which is priced at $30 per month or $300 per year. And they say SuperGrok, it also unlocks additional reasoning and deep search queries and throws in unlimited image generation. So here the subscribers of X Premium Plus tier will get access to Grok 3, not the rest of the people won't get the access. Just the subscribers of X Premium Plus tier will get access to Grok 3. In the future, as like for example a week from now on, Grok app will gain a voice mode, Musk has said, and it will give Grok models a synthesized voice. And also, a few weeks after that, what will happen? The Grok 3 models will be available via XAI's Enterprise AI along with the deep search capability. And XAI also plans to open source Grok 2 in the coming months. So they say that in the coming months, Grok 2 will be open source. And also, Musk says that our journal approach is that we will open source the last version of Grok when the next version is fully out. When Grok 3 is mature and stable, which is probably within a few months, then we'll open source Grok 2. In conclusion, I would say that there you have it. Grok 3 is here and it's bringing some serious upgrades in the world of AI. So, from better reasoning to faster searches, Grok 3 is taking things to the next level. And if you're excited about these new features, hit the like button and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss any updates. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.